welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be working on this treats stocking. I have the pattern in the description below. So this is the pattern and I'll show you how to get your pieces cutted. So you need 2 pieces of the main fabric. You can also have a lining piece if you want to not to line your stocking. It's all up to you. And I also added another 2 pieces for the padding, just to give it more thickness. And for the top piece of your stocking, so this is the piece you need to cut it on fold. You can cut it from the same fabric or a different color, and this is for the hanger that you want to hang it from. So first you lay down your padding. If you don't want to add padding as well, it's all up to you. So add the padding and then your main pieces and then the other layer of the padding, and we're gonna sew around. Once you finish sewing, it should look like that, and now we are going to turn it inside out. Now for the lining pieces, you line them together, right side facing each other, and now we sew and we put our other piece of our stocking inside this lining piece, and we are going to sew in the top, leaving an opening. So I left the opening, and now we are going to turn our stocking inside out from that opening, and we are going to close this opening. Now we are going to work on the top piece. So you pin the sides together and you can sew it, and also the holder as well, you can sew on the 2 sides of it. So after you finish sewing, this should look like that. We are going to fold this top piece, and then we are going to tuck it inside our stocking. As well as the holder, make sure you put it in the back of your stocking, and now you make sure the seams are lined together. And you sew around, and this is how it should look like. Now you complete your stocking. I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and if you didn't subscribe yet, I encourage you to subscribe and check out the rest of the videos I have in my channel. Happy to see you again. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.